In this video, I'm going to talk about classic theme option available for model driven app. Now, the classic theme, which is basically a Dynamics 365 classic theme, which we call it currently, in this we can create various themes for Dynamics 365 application. Now, I'm specifically talking about a model driven app which does not have a new look enabled. The classic theme has three different themes out of the box, which you cannot edit. However, you can create your own custom theme. Now, what all things you can change is you can change the logo on the navigation bar. You can create a new theme. You can use existing theme. And what happens in the navigation bar is you can change the logo. You can change the logo tooltip, navigation bar fill color, shelf fill color, title text color, main color, accent color. So all this component you can change. And from a UI element perspective, you can change the link and the button text color, selected link color, hover link color, legacy accent color, default entity color, default custom entity color, control hover fill color, control hover border color, page header fill color, panel header fill color. Now, if you see over here, this is a very simple model driven app which does not have the new look enabled. Now, if you want to customize the header component for this particular application, then you need to go into the classic theme and make those changes accordingly. Now, here you will not even see the logo. So there is no logo present over here. It is showing you Power Apps. Okay. So we can add a logo over here and we can even change the color of the header bar if we use the classic theme. Now, if you turn this new look on, then that's a different way of implementation of header. So we are not going to talk that because that's I have already covered in a separate video. So we are just focused on a model driven app. We are just focused on the old look and we are going to make use of the classic theme. This is how the classic theme looks like. So in order to customize the classic theme, what you need to do is like you need to go into the advanced setting, go into the customization and go to the themes component and then start creating a theme or make use of the existing theme, which I'm going to demonstrate to you just now. Okay, so this is how the basically the theme will look like. So let's jump into the demo quickly. So see, if you see over here, this is a classic model driven app. Okay, now, this does not have a new look enabled. So that means it is taking the header bar from the classic theme. Now, what can I do to make this color change and what can I do to add a logo over here? So, in order to do that, first just stick to the old look. Okay, so we are just focusing on old look. So if I click on settings over here and click on advanced settings, you will be taken into the back end of the application. Here you will see the header bar as black color. So if I click on settings, if I click on customization, then there is an option for themes. So if I click on themes over here, I have a lot of themes created over here. But to just to focus, you will have the CRM blue theme, CRM default theme, and CRM orange theme. Now, this theme are called as a system theme. This theme you cannot edit. However, you can create a new theme. I have created a new theme called as G theme, Girish line theme, Girish turquoise theme, April 2024 theme. So I can create multiple themes as and when I need that. Now, what does this all theme mean? So if I go to CRM blue theme, if you see this, it has a theme name. You can add a logo, but in this theme, you cannot edit. As you see over here, it is a read only theme. You can change the logo tooltip. So if I move mouse over here, it is showing me Microsoft Dynamics 365 navigation bar fill color. So if you see over here, see all this color settings. Okay, navigation bar shelf fill color, title text color, main color, accent color. So all these things I can change. Okay, and there is a whole bunch of things which you can make the change. But now, what if I publish this theme? So this is the default theme which is available out of the box. So if I do a publish theme, what happens? See what happens. It has changed the header component to blue color. Now, if I go into my model driven app and if I just refresh it, see the change is impacted over here. It has changed the color of the header bar. Similarly, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to navigate to a different theme. Okay, so let me close this and let me go to orange theme. Okay, this is an orange theme. I'll publish this theme now. So let me publish this. I've published this internally. The header has changed. Let me go into the model driven app, which has a old look. I'm just refreshing this. So let me do a hard refresh, Control F5, and now it has changed into orange. Similarly, I can go over here and now I'll just close this and now I'll make CRM default theme or maybe blue theme, whatever theme I want, I can do that. Now, the only problem with using the default theme is you cannot change the logo. So, what you can do, you can create a new theme. Here, all themes, here you can create a new theme, but I've already created one theme, so it's called as April 2024 theme. Okay. Now here in April 2024 theme, I have some logo, I have some color. Okay. Like this, you can navigate from here. I can go to CRM blue theme, which is the default theme, CRM default theme. I can go to CRM orange theme, and there is a G theme. Now, if you see here, G theme is also another theme which I have created. Now it has navigation bar fill color as pink. If you see the logo over here, I've selected a web resource GLT underscore Girish sign. I can pick whatever logo I want. Okay, so this is just one of the logo which I have uploaded. So let me show you what does this logo looks like. So let me show you. Yeah. So this is how the logo looks like. So you can pick whatever logo you want for your organization and then copy that logo as a web resource and then point it to this theme. And now let me publish this theme. So the moment I publish this theme, you might see that that changes has happened over in the backend as well over here. Now if I go into the application and if I give a hard refresh, then you can see here that I've successfully changed the header theme and I also added a logo as well. So that means if for a model driven app which is using the old look, you can make use of a classic theme to change the header component and also change the header. Now remember, for a modern look, you will also need to take help of the classic theme to embed a logo. Okay, so the classic theme is quite important at the current stage if you want to have some sort of a logo defined for your application. So that's it, folks. This is how you basically use a classic theme for a model driven app which has a new look disabled, or rather I'd say new look not enabled. So from the setting icon over here, if it is disabled, then it will pick up from the classic theming interface any changes you make to the header component. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching.